Hello, lovely starseeds. Today, we begin on a momentous journey together, transcending time and space. As we assemble in this sacred time, we are urged to awaken the radiant light inside ourselves and uncover the genuine core of who we are. This message is more than just a light of hope, it is a cry to arms, inspiring the courage and confidence required to carry out our divine purpose on Earth. In this precious moment, we are at the beginning of a new journey, one lighted by the beautiful light within us. This is a summons to all starseeds. Awaken and complete the soul mission that brought you to Earth. You came to help humanity and the planet soar to higher planes of existence. It is time to face your fears, recover your authority, and take strong action. Looking back, 2023 was a pivotal year for starseeds. The first part of the year was characterized your door-in waiting period. Many of you had a strong desire to move on, but were held back by unseen forces. This was a period of intense meditation and preparation, rather than stagnation. It was time to look within, face your own fears and uncertainties, and discover your actual self. As the year continued, we moved into the action phase. The universe aligned, and the energies began to support us in taking courageous moves towards our goals. Starseeds all throughout the planet began to understand their role and began actively contributing to Earth's ascension. The transition was not just personal, but it had a global impact, helping the planet's journey towards higher consciousness. Accept this trip met in open heart and unwavering spirit. The time for waiting is over. Now is the time to fully express your inner light, to transform yourself and the world around you. Let us work together to realize our genuine potential and live our destiny. Personal empowerment is a journey of realizing your limitless potential. At the center of this journey is the practice of internal dialogue. Listening to and trusting your inner voice allows you to access the wisdom hidden deep within your soul. Meditation and prayer are precious techniques that enhance this inner connection and guide you to your actual self. Transforming your belief systems is another critical component of personal empowerment. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your world. By replacing negative ideas with positive affirmations, you can start to retrain your mind and spirit. Affirmations like, "I have unlimited power," might help you awaken your inner strength and tap into your boundless vitality. Following your intuition is the compass to lead you on your spiritual journey. Intuition is the voice of your higher self, gently guiding you to the proper actions and judgments. Trusting and acting on your intuition helps to create new realities and aligns you with your divine mission. As you follow this inner guidance, you contribute to Earth's ascension, raising collective consciousness. The concept of ideal timelines demonstrates that the perfect realities you seek are already present in the cosmos. These timelines represent regions in which your highest potential and ambitions are fully realized. By focusing on positive ideas and employing daily affirmations, you can align yourself with these ideal timelines. This alignment allows you to slip into various realities, manifesting the life you choose, while also contributing to the world's harmonic progression. Accept these practices met in open heart and unwavering spirit. Your journey of personal development demonstrates the enormous power and light you possess. As you shift your beliefs, trust your intuition, and align with ideal timelines, you will step into your full power and fulfill your divine mission on Earth. Maintaining your energy's purity and vigor is critical on the mystical path of personal empowerment. Dit starts met the sacred practice of energy cleaning. Regular energy work, such as meditation, breathing exercises, and the use of crystals or herbs, can help cleanse and balance your energy field. These techniques clear out negative energy, restore balance, and raise your vibratory frequency, allowing your inner light to shine brightly. Setting boundaries is another critical part of energy management. In a world full of many energies, setting clear boundaries protects your energy and maintains your inner holiness. These barriers serve as a shield, protecting your spiritual essence from outside influences. Respecting and enforcing these limits ensures that your energy is pure and undisturbed. Daily spiritual maintenance routines are essential for keeping your inner light alive. Regular practices like energy cleansing and boundary establishing strengthen your spirit while also keeping your energy field lively and robust. These rituals serve as a daily reminder of your dedication to spiritual well-being, maintaining your connection to the divine, and grounding your inner strength. Accept these spiritual activities met passion and concentration. Energy cleansing purifies your spirit and raises your vibration. Setting and honoring limits protects and maintains your precious energy and inner holiness. And, via daily rituals, you maintain the strength and purity of your inner light, empowering yourself to carry out your divine duty on earth. Striving for ultimate harmony is a spiritual path of inner serenity and unity with the universe. This fundamental connection enables you to connect with the cosmic rhythms, resulting in a symphony of harmony within and around you. By sustaining inner peace, you may act with clarity and truthfulness. This inner peace expands outward, sending waves of harmony to others and raising the communal consciousness. Daily thankfulness and Affirmationen zij in effective tools voor des journey. Gratitude, the simple but powerful act of acknowledging the benefits in your life, raises your vibratory frequency. It opens your heart to the vastness of the universe and attracts wonderful energy. Each moment of thankfulness is a beacon of light, attracting more of what you value. Positive affirmations, on the other hand, are expressions of your most profound truths and wishes. Repeating affirmations like, "I am filled with peace and harmony," or "I attract positive energy," instills these thoughts in your subconscious, changing your reality. These affirmations direct your energy towards your highest objectives, producing a magnetic field that attracts your deepest wishes. Embrace these mystical practices with a sincere heart and an open mind to the beauties of the cosmos. Striving for ultimate harmony via inner serenity and unification ties you to the endless web of existence. Daily gratitude and affirmations function as guiding lights, raising your vibratory frequency and attracting positive energy. Together, these practices illumine your path, guiding you to a life of profound harmony and limitless blessings. As starseeds, we are all on a glorious adventure to illuminate our inner light and contribute to the evolution of the planet. Each of us is a source of divine energy, and our individual actions are the sparks that propel the vast ascension process. We create a light tapestry by working together to raise humanity's and the planet's consciousness. We have now entered a new and critical stage of this trip, and action is essential. The time for contemplation and preparation is over, and we must now rely on our inner direction to lead us. By visualizing our desired futures, we can create powerful intentions that shape our reality. These visions serve as a compass, guiding us towards our ultimate goals. Taking positive acts that connect with our soul's mission is the key to realizing these dreams. Every activity, no matter how small, contributes to the collective ascension. Trust your inner wisdom, which is the voice of your higher self, directing you towards your actual destiny. As we move forward with courage and conviction, we help to create a brighter, more harmonious world. Accept this new chapter with an open heart and unwavering spirit. Our journey is one of unity and evolution, with each starseed's light shining brilliantly and illuminating the way for others. Together, we are the drivers of Earth's evolution, and our united efforts will usher in a new period of peace, love, and knowledge. As we embark on this mystical adventure together, the value of unity and collaboration cannot be emphasized. We must continue to walk this path together, supporting and boosting each other as we strive for our common goal of ascension and enlightenment. Trust in your inner power, for it is the divine flame that propels you forward and illuminates your path. In this new phase, let us remember to accept our inner direction, visualize our desired futures, and do constructive acts that are consistent with our soul's mission. By doing so, we contribute not only to our own personal development, but also to the collective progress of the Earth. Each step we take, every goal we make, and every action we take contributes to the collective energy that propels us towards a future of wealth and harmony. Let us harness the power of our inner light and flash it brilliantly for all to see. We can work together to create a reality based on peace, love, and harmony. Our joint efforts, motivated by our inner power and directed by our best goals, will usher in a new era of profound transformation and divine harmony. Carry these facts with you as we come to the end of this chapter of On's journey. Continue to believe in your own inner strength and never underestimate the significance of your actions on the collective consciousness. We are infinitely powerful when we work together to create a future that represents On's deepest wants and highest goals. Let us march forward with confidence and conviction, knowing that when our lights shine together, they have the power to alter the world. The road continues, and together we will light the way to a brighter, more harmonious future for everyone.